start. This is an appeal preferred by the claimants seeking enhancement of compensation awarded to them by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Karnal wide award dated 21/7/1998. The claim petition filed by the appellants was partly allowed. Pyare Lal, husband of appellant number 1 and father of appellant number 2, died in an accident, which took place on 10/3/1994. The claimant's plea before the tribunal was that Pyare Lal used to sell fruits and was earning an income of rupees 5,000 per month. His age was stated as 25 years. The tribunal observed that there was no evidence regarding the income and it assessed the income at rupees 1500 per month, normally payable to a laborer those days. The multiplier of 16 was applied and compensation of rupees 192,000 was assessed. A sum of rupees 10,000 was added on other heads, making the total to rupees 202,000. Learned counsel for the appellants has urged that the income assessed by the tribunal was on the lower side and it needs to be increased. It was contended that a multiplier of 18 would be applicable instead of 16 as the deceased was 25 years old and the claimants were also entitled to increase in future income, a higher amount on account of loss of consortium, funeral expenses and loss of estate. Reliance was placed upon Rajesh and others versus Rajveer Singh and others, within bracket 2014-1 173 PLR 779 within bracket SC colon 2013 within bracket 9 SCC 54. Next para. The argument on the other hand, was that the income which a person could earn in the year 1994 could only be assessed to calculate the compensation and a laborer could earn rupees 5,000 in the year 2009 and the income of the deceased was properly assessed. It was urged that the increase awarded by the apex court in Rajesh and others case supra cannot be granted as there the accident had taken place in the year 2007 and the accident here relates to the year 1994. So far as the income is concerned, I am not inclined to make any change as a laborer could earn rupees 1500 per month then, but certainly the claimants are entitled to an addition of 50% on account of increase in future income. After adding that amount, the income would come to rupees 2250 per month. After deducting one third towards personal expenses, the amount available for the family would be rupees 1500 per month. Considering the age of deceased, the multiplier of 18 would be applicable and the compensation would work out to rupees 3,24,000. The claimants are also entitled to proportionate increase for loss of consortium and on the head of funeral expenses and loss of estate in the light of the judgment of the apex court. As the accident is of the year 1994, the claimants are awarded rupees 15,000 on account of loss of consortium, rupees 10,000 as funeral expenses and rupees 10,000 on account of loss of estate stop. The compensation would thus come to rupees 369,000 stop. Out of this amount, the amount of rupees 202,000 awarded by the tribunal shall be deducted stop. The remaining amount would be paid to the claimants in the same proportion with interest at the rate awarded by the tribunal from the date of institution of petition till its realization stop. The award stands modified stop. The appeal is allowed on the above terms stop. Appeal allowed stop.